How to change font on Facebook post to text. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your font while posting something on Facebook. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on what's on your mind. Write anything that you would like to post. Now simply copy the text. Once you do so, go back and open up your Chrome application. Here at the top search bar, type in font changer. You will see LingoJam. Just tap onto it, paste the copied text. And here it will show you a list of other fonts as well. Copy the font that you would like to use. Now open up your Facebook again and paste it. Once done, tap on to next and tap on post. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.